Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about neutrophils. So let's start our topic with introduction. Neutrophils are the most abundant type of white blood cells in human circulation, forming about 50% to 70% of total leukocytes. They are essential components of innate immune system and act as body first line of defense against infection, particularly bacterial and fungal pathogens. Neutrophils are highly mobile, short-lived, and specialize in rapidly reaching sites of inflammation to destroy invading microorganisms. Structures of neutrophil. Their size is about 10 to 12 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus is multi-lobed, that is usually 2 to 5 lobes. Hence, this is called as polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Their cytoplasm is pale with fine granules, and the granules they have is contain enzymes and antimicrobial proteins. They have primary granules that are called as exurophilic that contain myeloperoxidase, lysozyme and defensins. They have secondary granules that contain lactoferrin and collagenase. They have short lifespan that is about 6 to 8 hours in circulation and 1 to 2 days in tissues. Production and maturation of neutrophils. Neutrophils are produced in bone marrow from myeloid stem cells through the process of granulopoiesis. Their development is regulated by colony stimulating factors. During infections, bone marrow releases both mature and immature neutrophils that are called band cells. Functions of neutrophil. First function is phagocytosis, as neutrophil engulf and digest bacteria, fungi, and cellular debris. They fuse phagosome with lysosome to destroy pathogens using enzymes and reactive oxygen species. Second function of neutrophils is degranulation, as they release antimicrobial substance from cytoplasmic granule to kill extracellular microbes. Third function is respiratory burst, as there is production of reactive oxygen species such as hydrogen peroxide and superoxide to destroy pathogens. Fourth function of neutrophil is neutrophil extracellular traps, that is release of DNA fiber coated with antimicrobial protein that trap and kill microbes. Fifth function of neutrophil is inflammation meditation, as neutrophil release cytokines and chemokines to recruit other immune cells to the site of infections. Role in inflammation of neutrophils. Neutrophils are first immune cells to arrive at the site of acute inflammation. They move through blood vessels by margination, rolling, adhesion, and diapedesis. They are guided to the site of infection by chemotaxis. Their rapid response contributes to the classic signs of inflammation like redness, swelling, pus formation. Clinical importance of neutrophils. First is neutrophilia, that is abnormally high neutrophil count, often seen in bacterial infection, stress, or inflammation. Second significance or importance is neutropenia, that is abnormally low neutrophil count that increase susceptibility of person to infections and that may result from bone marrow failure or from chemotherapy or from autoimmune diseases. Third clinical significance is pus formation, as accumulation of dead neutrophils, bacteria, and tissue debris leads to pus formation. Conclusion of this lecture video. Neutrophils are critical immune cells that form the frontline defense against microbial infections. The ability to phagocytose pathogens, release microbial substances, and coordinate inflammatory response make them essential for survival. However, excessive neutrophil activity can also cause tissue damage, highlighting their dual protective and destructive role in immunity. And this was all about neutrophils. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.